Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can delete the Grok imagine history. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Grok. So there is a two method you can find your Grok imagine history. Okay, so first we can go here, okay, and go to the imagine, and here you can see the favorites or saved. Just click on it, and here you can see all the history which you have created with Grok. Okay, image or video. You need to just select that image or video. Just click on this three dot option and you can delete from here. Let me refresh it. So here you can see this is the delete option in red color. You can see you can delete it. Okay, I will show you on another image. Let me click this one. If I click this one, you can see this is the delete video option you have. You can just delete it. And another option, you can go this your profile photo, go to the files. Under the file you can see all image you have uploaded on Grok and all the image which created by Grok in Imagine. Okay, so if you find this tag Imagine, means it's image generated with Grok, and if you and that image which without that Imagine tag, it means you have uploaded this image into the Grok. Okay, so you can delete from here. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.